In primetime news this evening, several healthcare workers at the Mandeville Regional Hospital out sick with COVID-19. More than 200 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica for the 6th consecutive day, and brace for water restrictions. The warning from the NWC.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: apart from tighter curfews, what other measures do you believe the government can implement to contain the spread of COVID-19?
You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.